For those organizations right now, maybe they're watching this, maybe they're hearing about some of the mental health struggles of their professionals potentially. What can they do today to like help with that?
First of all, you got to be aware of it. You got to see the signs. And most of us see the signs, I think, of like, we know if someone's struggling typically on a day-to-day basis. If we're working next to them, especially out in the field, you can pretty much get a good sense of like whether they're having a good day or bad day, and if they're having personal problems and things like that. I think we need to kind of, if you hear something, say something. I think that's going to be really important, because the leadership within these construction firms, for example, or engineering firms, they're not out there in the field. They're not always engaging with their employees because they got to run the business, right? So there's got to be some kind of chain of communication, some kind of effect, communication,
Right.
just
Like a
in
red
general.
flag that goes up
Yeah,
if something
something's got to
happens.
happen, right? You just
Yeah.
like, hey, Jim's not having a great day. Wife left him, whatever. He's got some issues going on. Like, just kind of bring awareness to it, because then there are ways that you can gradually is reach out to Jim. Be like, hey, man, start a communication with him, just observe things, sit down, have a conversation. There's different ways that you can engage, but they have to be willing to engage. That's the other thing, is not everybody's going to be like, hey, yeah, I got mental health problems. Let's have a conversation about that. They have to want it, right? They have to want to make a life
Right.
transition and make a change in their mindset. It's not easy.